162 million na additional request, will that enable you to fully capacitate yourself in order to prevent this type of financial crimes to propagate, and also assure the Senate that earlier on, ma-detect na natin para mahinto na natin. Ganyan yung kaalis ko. Nung hindi natin na-detect, napatayo niya na yung Bamban facility. Same with the DPWH investigation is ending.
Yes, Mr. Chair, the additional budget will definitely assist us in ensuring that we detect and identify money laundering and those commission of those predicate offenses early on, Mr. Chair, in a timely manner, Mr.
Gusto namin tulungan yung bansa natin mahinto itong ganitong mga corrupt practices. We're relying on AMLAC to detect this because I can see that all crimes will have a financial component because there's something to gain.